Hi, my name is Erlinet Richards. I was born in Philippines and I do voluntary work in HK. Now we are locked down. I cannot go there, so I decided to make a video to show my artwork. My first video that I made yesterday, I introduced about the toilet roll. But here we go. This is a variety artwork that I made. And next video, I will show you how to make this kind of artwork. So, I just learned here in Australia how to do these things. And I'd like to share with you. Especially lockdown here in Australia, we need to do something, to make busy, and you do something with this, you reduce your stress and make you happy. So I will encourage you to do this. Okay? So this is my artwork, a variety of artwork. So I have this toilet roll, God is love, and I have this cross made of aluminum fuel, and this is my cross stitch. I made that in 2004, cross stitch, when I was in Philippines. And this flower I made here in Australia, acrylic paint that I use. And this one is a cross. And this is our logo in our church. Every Sunday we have a church here in YouTube and Facebook Live. So this is our logo. Faith Restoration Church. So the paint that I use, that one is acrylic paint. And this one, this is three of us. I painted this with acrylic paint. Yeah, this is not bad for a first time. And this one, I show you this one. This is a placard. And I made this one in 2006 when I was pregnant with our son Joshua. A placard. So this is made of cross stitch. So this is heart made of toilet roll. This is made of toilet roll, 3 roses. I love you. Lots of variety things that you can learn from me. And this one is an egg tree. Egg tree. This is my son Joshua. It's an egg tree. I use 3 different colors: green, red, and black. And at the back, this is a paper plate. I'll show you this. This is a bottle. Made of bottle. See? You can use this one. You can put anything you want. This is made of paper, colored papers. 3 roses that I made for my husband. This one is, I draw this one. And I'm coloring. It's an Elvis Presley. This is another painting that I made. And this one is in the forest, and Brian, my husband, and me, we walk together. And I made a shaker. This is the one that I use when we have worship here every Sunday. So inside here is a rice. We call this rice shaker. Sounds good. This one is a drum. Actually, this is our old container. And then I decided to painted this one to have a drum, make a drum. We don't need to buy. Just be creative. And I decided to make a drumstick so that I can play with it. See? Just put it in your neck, and then, you know what? This is actually toilet roll, a long toilet roll, and I covered with socks, old socks, and then I have this sparkling cloth. I design it, and looking good, isn't it? See? So you can do like this. If I can do it, you can do it. Be creative. Yeah. I will show you. I made a cards. So this is a card that I made for my sister Joy. My youngest sister Joy has a birthday, so I made her for her. Happy birthday, Joy! And I made a card, thank you card. Actually, I made a card for my friend, thank you. She gave me a gift for my birthday, so I made a thank you card. See, you can do something. And this one, another thank you card. I made a flower with paper. And that's nice, isn't it? This one is, I painted this. And guess what? Who is this? This is Princess Diana. Do you think she looks like? Some of my friends, they thought that it looks like a little bit. So, but this one is cereal carton. And then it's a toilet roll that I make a heart shape, and then put some red acrylic paint, and then I painted with heart, and then this is ghost photo frame.